Tell me, old man, where have you been? I've been waiting to the stories about just doings. I guess I come back here with one word or two. I never really quite know what to do. Tell me, old man, what I'm looking for. Had it been you or all you giving and so much more. Sometimes the things we seek is kill the point. Sometimes you always downward seems off joint. It makes me wonder. It makes me want to leave. So what's your freedom? What that's your song? And take you over the wind. If I go on and leave my worries with the birds or the wings, and I know one day that you'll be so late, so I just leave you then. If I go on and leave my worries with the birds of the wind. Old man, I know you had questions too. The same ones we've been asking of you. But you just roll on back off your side. You're stealing away again like a shield in the night. It's you for honor. As you want to leave, so it's your freedom. Why that's your song, and take you over the wind. And you want to leave our worries with the birds of the wings. And you know one day that you'll be so late, so I just lift you down. And you will learn to leave our worries with the birds of the wind. If I go on and leave my worries with the birds of the wind.